Today I will take another look at my E-Flite Eratix. So I have lots of repairs on mine, and I think that the E-Flite does market this RC plane as an indoor flyer, but I think it's really fun if you don't have too crazy wind to fly this one outdoors and just have a good time. And it's also a really good experience to me because I'm not really used to flying like this 3D flat foamy RC plane. So let's go outside and get this one up in the air. It's a really lovely morning. I have a little bit of wind gusts, so it'll be interesting to see how this Eratix handles the wind then. I do have many repairs on mine. I do fly on a different prop, so it does sound a little bit odd. I don't think the performance is sacrificed in any way, it's just the sound. And this is not a really difficult RC plane to fly if you reduce the rates. So I have like 70% rate on mine right now, which are my mid rates. That gives me enough lee room to maneuver this plane. So you can see you can just toss this one around in the air any way you like, because the prop just pushes it to wherever you want it to go. And the most difficult thing about this RC plane is then when you lose orientation, because it is rather small. It depends on what kind of sky you have as a background. Today it's just blue, which is not maybe the best color, at least for filming. Visibility is usually great, but I do prefer a kind of a cloudy sky. Just windsurfing, kind of knife edge surf. And with the reduced rates, then it's super agile if you want to. And do really nice tight snaps with this RC plane. And as it is a symmetrical wing, it doesn't matter if you fly upside down or on the right side up. You just have to keep track of orientation. I'm flying mine on a 3S 850 mAh Tattoo 75C battery. And you can hear the telemetry readouts then from the smart features of the avian software. I won't really bother too much about these readouts. I know that I can continue to fly this one for at least 5 or 6 minutes. I'm trying to keep this plane really close to the camera, but still avoiding to fly above my head or just too high up. And this is really low for being me flying an RC plane. So for filming, it is great. For safety, if you want to avoid crashing your RC planes. I mean, I have almost no margins, but it's a challenge, and I've made so many repairs on this RC plane. So if I would make a few more, it doesn't really matter, because it's not a really beautiful looking RC plane anymore. Remember, I'm only practicing. I mean, I'm not trying to make this like a beautiful flight. It's just me pushing this RC plane and pushing myself. You can really see this one being kicked around by the wind, so it can be a little bit difficult to control, and especially when you're going lower speed and at low altitude. It's a little bit risky, but I'm prepared to take that risk just to have a great flight. And trying to get this one down, just going to like a Harry style landing, works great. I have a fun time every time I fly this one, and I will surely just keep coming back to it as long as it will survive. And I suppose, I mean, I will have a few more repairs, maybe just reinforce the tapes are done for the hinges then. But I mean, it's a fun RC plane. It's not really beautiful. It's not really the best RC plane, but it's fun to have something odd and just bring when you want to have a fun time outdoors.